Welcome to this guided Vipassana meditation. Vipassana, meaning clear seeing, is an ancient meditation practice that trains the mind to observe reality as it is, without attachment or resistance. Through focused awareness of breath and bodily sensations, we develop clarity, equanimity, and inner peace. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Sit in a comfortable but upright position, keeping your back straight and your hands resting gently on your lap. If possible, close your eyes. Take a moment to settle into stillness. Feel the natural rhythm of your breath, flowing in and out. There's no need to control it, just observe. Now, bring your full attention to the sensation of breath at the entrance of your nostrils. Notice the cool air as you inhale and the warm air as you exhale. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the breath. Each time you notice distraction, simply return, without judgment, without frustration. Now, expand your awareness beyond the breath. Begin scanning your body from head to toe, noticing any sensations present. Start at the top of your head. Observe any tingling, warmth, or subtle movement. If there's no sensation, simply note neutral and move on. Slowly shift your attention downward, your forehead, eyes, jaw. Are you holding any tension? If so, just observe. No need to change it, just notice. Now move to your neck and shoulders. Feel their weight, any pressure or lightness present. Keep scanning downward, your arms, hands, fingers. Now, bring awareness to your chest and abdomen. Feel the gentle rise and fall with each breath. Notice your back, upper, middle, and lower. If there is discomfort, simply acknowledge it. Observe how it changes from moment to moment. Continue scanning down to your hips, thighs, knees, then your lower legs, ankles, and finally, your feet. Now take a moment to observe your entire body as one field of sensation, noticing everything without reacting, without resistance. If a thought or emotion arises, acknowledge it gently and return to your breath. Each moment is an opportunity to practice awareness. Now, let go of any focus. Rest in open awareness, simply being. No effort, no control, just presence. Slowly, bring your attention back to your surroundings. Feel the air on your skin, the weight of your body on the ground. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, awakening your body, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining this Vipassana practice. If you enjoyed this meditation, be sure to explore more sessions on awareness now. May you carry this awareness and presence into your day.